How's it going, everyone? Welcome to ADR Outdoors. Going mushroom hunting. My dad and my uncle and my aunt are up here. We're about to go for a walk through the woods and try to find some morels. It's definitely season, so we're gonna give it a shot. We got 3 weeks into the first couple of weeks of May. They'll start dying off, so we got from now until then. I'm really wanting to get some so I can cook them up. So see if we can get a batch of them. Yeah, I'm thinking we're a little early, folks. I mean, we've been walking around for a minute. We found some bloodroot. And fucking like 18-inch May apples. Got my uncles to show me what bloodroot was looking like. Trying to find one for you. There, I'm gonna go back this way and show you. There's some up here. It's right here. You pull that out, the root bloody and stuff. But we're finding the right plants. I think we're just a couple days early. But we're finding some good spots. We marked a few spots, and we're gonna come back in a couple days, but we're gonna keep looking. We're seeing what we want, but we're not finding anything to harvest at the moment, but it's looking good. It's any day now we should start finding them.
It goes deeper.
Yeah,
That's freaking awesome.
yeah, that's what I've always looked for.
The bloodroot.
Yeah.
And then these guys.
May apples.
Yeah, there's a lot of them right here. I definitely see why you stopped right here.
Yeah, I stopped dead in my tracks right here.
Man.
Bloodroot is all over in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've seen, this
And
is the
golden
only spot we
seal,
started
I'm
seeing
sure
them.
will be up in a
Yeah.
couple days.
Yeah.
And boy, you could make money off that golden seal and that bloodroot, just like the ginseng. And that shit'll be up all year.
You just
And
pull
get
it up
nothing
and
but
cut the
bigger.
root off?
You have to dig it up.
Dig it up with a little
but
shovel or
this is a
something?
hell of a patch of bloodroot.
Bloodroot all over.
Oh, yeah. That's a big one right here.
If you can get down to it,
Yeah.
they don't pull out. They're deep.
Yeah, you almost have to have a shovel.
We always
Yeah, I
have
ain't
a
gonna
little
mess with it.
All right, I think we're still at 5 at this point.
We're looking in the right spots,
Well,
man.
this is what that ginseng looks like.
Oh, the ginseng root?
It's what it looks like, but that ain't it.
Right.
And that's the big money.
Yeah, folks, we're looking in all the right spots, but no luck. We'll be back out in a couple days and see what we can find. Found some cool stuff though, bloodroot, May apple plants and stuff, and like my uncle was teaching me, that's what you want to look for and stuff. And out here learning and listening and looking. That's what it's all about. That's a fun time, especially when you find them, because those things are delicious. My uncle used to cook them all the time. But I think that's it for today, folks. I don't think we're gonna find nothing. We'll be out here in a couple days. Look again. It's been about 5 days. We're back at the same spot with my wife and my kids. We're gonna walk through the exact same way we did with my dad and my uncle, and hopefully find some mushrooms. We're gonna hit some of that spot I marked on the tree. Hopefully we can find something. I gotta grab some stuff out the car real quick. We found our first mushroom of the season. These aren't morels, but these are called dryad saddles. They are edible. So I am gonna cut me one off to take home. I think I'm gonna cut me off one of these smaller ones over here. I'm sure there's other names for these. But I looked them up, they are edible. And this is what I'm harvesting. Cool. This is our first mushroom of the trip. These are looking pretty cool. Like I said, they're called dryad saddles. I looked them up and they are edible. Back a little bit up, I'm walking up the sides of this little ravine creek thing. I ain't found nothing else but that one little patch of mushrooms I showed you. Pretty excited about that. I've never even heard of this one, but it's edible. I looked it up and I'm excited about it. I only took one because I just want to try it. But if I like them, I'll remember to keep an eye out for these ones as well. But I haven't seen any morels. A lot more May-apples and bloodroot than last time. No morels yet. I'm going again Saturday with my dad, my uncle, and my dad's friend. So hopefully we can find something then, but I'm gonna keep looking. I'm about to go back down this and head up into the woods some more. Oh, we're walking back to the car. I'm gonna get, this is the same wall we was at. I'm gonna go ahead and get one more just so I got enough in case Robert wants to try. So I got another one. Again, this stuff's called dryad saddle, and there's another name for it. I'll look up the name again when I'm cooking it, but you can eat these. It says you can just clean them and fry them up in butter, so that's probably what I'm gonna do. This is the haul for today. Let's get out what I'm taking. I found plenty of this stuff. So I'm taking 2. So I'll show you how much there really was. You've seen the log already. There's quite a bit on that log, and just right down past from it. There's some bigger ones right here. But I didn't want to take any big ones. I just took some small ones. Because like I said, I've never tried them before, but this is our haul for today. Let's go home and fry them up and see how they taste, and then our next mushroom hunt will be on Saturday. I want to try to look up some information to put at the end of the video so you guys can check out the name of these and stuff. But that's it for today. We'll see you at home. We're gonna cook these up, and I'm gonna find some information on these and link them here at the end of the video. We'll see you guys next time. Alright, it's the next day. There's our mushrooms. Some butter in there first. Even gonna give them some flavor. I'm gonna put some of that in there. And on top of them. just cooking them in butter and a little bit of seasoning. I'm gonna give them a try. They smell like watermelon when you cut it open. It's kind of weird. I wonder if it's gonna be like sweet. But I'm gonna fry these guys up, and when they're done, me and Robert are gonna try them and let you know what we think of them.
They're good, I'll try one.
Alright, they're done. So I'm about to try one. Let's see. So
I'm scared to try one.
hopefully you've seen them. Can't flip the camera around once I already started the video, but I'm about to try one. Dude, it's kind of sweet like watermelon too. It tastes like watermelon but with butter on it.
Watermelon, but with butter.
It has an interesting taste. Yeah, I like that.
That's not bad.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to.
That's not bad.
Alright, give me
That's not bad. Hey, that's not bad.
I'm just gonna try one. You like it? It's not terrible.
It's
I
not
like-
bad, but it's got a weird flavor. It's got a good
I like
flavor to it.
It tastes good. It's just
That,
texture.
yeah.
I
Let me
like it.
quit.
Okay. And
They're
now
hot.
the bubbles.
But they're good.
I feel like they need to be
I said,
cooked just a little
should have made
longer.
steak.
You don't want to overcook mushrooms for sure. But I cleaned it, put it in butter, seasoned. That's it.
They look good. They did the shit.
Yeah, I'll harvest these again. I didn't know you could eat these, but
Neither did I, bro. Those are actually pretty good.
there's a lot of them you can eat. Most of them that grow on wood, you can eat.
That's the first time me ever trying to harvest mushrooms.
I like double, triple checked that I could eat these just to make sure because I didn't want to
Right.
freaking go to the hospital over a mushroom.
Oh god.
Start freaking seasoning out or some shit. But no, these are really good. I'll pick these again. But I only got 2 this time, so if I ever see them again, I'll definitely grab more because these cooked up really well. Hopefully we find some more mushrooms this weekend on our next hunt. We'll see you guys then.